Management as we know it today started in the industrial age with Frederick Taylor. It was based on the assumption that employees are lazy and must be monitored closely. Employees don't understand business matters. Employees put their own interests ahead of the interests of the organization. Employees don't want to be responsible. And only money motivates employees. Hierarchies, routine processes, control, discipline, efficiency. These were the keys to successful organizations. But is this approach appropriate for the 21st century? No. Then why are we still doing it that way? Our reality today includes technology changing business, global competition, rising customer expectations, constant changes everywhere. What's the competitive advantage today? How can we make better workplaces, engage employees, create high-performance cultures, get more inspired leaders, value human capital the right way, and not only succeed, but also make the world a better place? BEEP helps you develop your organization for the 21st century. BEEP educates, BEEP inspires, BEEP informs, BEEP advises. BEEP helps you create a competitive advantage. BEEP. Every day, everywhere.